Hey there, everybody. As always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich. I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about building my small drone business and your small drone businesses as well. I have been missing from the channel for 2 months now, basically. For those of you who are regular subscribers, you've gotten the explanation. We had a medical issue over Christmas and New Year's. We're now well on the mend, so this is my first official me in front of the video camera video to talk to you about what we're going to be doing this year in 2024 on this channel. We're going to be changing some things up a bit. And the primary thing, we're going to be focusing on one major project that we've already been working on for over a year. And we're going to be continuing that project in 2024 and into 2025. So we do have a lot of videos here on YouTube about delivering content to our clients, and that's going to be a big part of this year's YouTube videos here on this channel. We're going to talk about getting usable content and workable content to our clients. And our clients look for a lot of different things. We've worked with commercial builders, we've worked with real estate builders, from warehouses to single family residential homes to large communities to multifamily residential. We've done all these types of things. And the biggest thing, I get a lot of questions from people. What drone should I buy? What software should I buy? And I'm sorry to say to you, the answer is it depends. And we're going to focus a lot on how we're delivering things to clients, but not necessarily which types of drones we're going to be using, because that's going to be up to your own selection. I've had people ask me, hey, could you do a review of $500, $1,000, $1,500, and $2,000 drones that are the best? And the thing is, the best for what? In our case, we're doing a lot of construction work. We're doing video time lapse. We're doing still time lapse. We're doing 360s. We're doing all these different things. And sadly, as we're moving forward, some of the newest drones do not cover all of the bases. So one of the things that's going to be on you is to do your research before you purchase a new drone. And what you want to have in mind is what type of work are you going to be doing? So we're very heavily into the construction side of things. So when I look for new drones, I'm looking for drones that can help progress things for my business in delivering really good data to our clients and really good images and information. Now, the bigger part of this that we're going to be focusing on this year is those deliverables. Up on screen right now, we have Dropbox. And actually, I'm going to change screens really quick, okay? So here we go. We're going to just switch that down so that I'm not taking up the whole screen. And that quick little flick between the setups, that's on OBS, and that's the recording software that I use when I'm doing tutorials here. Now, for our Solstice project, which we'll be seeing more of this year, we have a lot of items for the clients, and I just wanted to show you through some of the different types of websites that we're using to pull together all this data and put it in a really great presentation format for our clients. So a lot of you, if you're doing real estate images, let's say, a lot of you utilize Dropbox or Google Drive or Microsoft's online drive as well to share things with your clients. And that is a way to get information and content out to your clients. Absolutely. But it's not always the prettiest thing. We're going to give people folders with folders inside of folders and send all that data along to them and say, it's in your Dropbox. Good luck. Have fun. We don't want to do that. We actually want to make things easier on our clients so that they can share the presentations that we're putting together for them. So let's take a look here. This is one of our many websites. This is called seemybuild.com. And on seemybuild.com, we can share with our clients. We can do password protected pages or public open pages, however they would like the content delivered. And like I said, we're going to be talking more about the Solstice project this year because it covers so many parts of what we do for client jobs. It covers 360s and it covers time-lapse video and time-lapse stills and interior and exterior. This project has grown a lot, and the project has grown a lot, and they've given us more work because of the type of content that we've been sharing with them. So we have this main page for the Solstice Ridge 2 project for 2023. We're now into 2024, and we'll be building a new archive page for that as well. But if you take a look here, we've flown this place a lot of times. Now, if I just sent the client a link to the Dropbox folders to go ahead and weed through this themselves, they would literally be going through thousands of photos that we've shot over the course of this year. So instead of doing something like just Dropbox Direct, we wanted to make custom pages for our clients. And those custom pages are really easy to view and understand what's going on. You can see the changes on the property really quickly. So that is a big part of our deliverables. And we're going to get into more depth this year. I'm going to show you more about how we're doing our private pages. But even if you didn't have to do the private pages, let's say you gave people a Dropbox, what else do we include in this particular project that we're working on? Well, we also do provide two-dimensional and three-dimensional models. So the two-dimensional being an orthomosaic map, three-dimensional models, something like this shown here on Sketchfab. And so this gets incorporated with our presentations for our clients, so they don't have to go hunting all over the place. They can find it in one easy page for each of our updates for them. We also do 360 virtual tours. We do aerial tours and we do interior tours as well. And after we started doing some of these aerial tours, the clients said, hey, we'd like to do more of that. So that they added some tasks to our project and they added some income to my pocket because, having to do these extra components for them. So this has been working out really well as we show our clients new features and capabilities that we have. They can actually, make decisions and purchase additional services from us. So it's never a bad idea to show a little extra to your clients. And for our presentations for our custom web pages, we do utilize WordPress. And you can use other web page builders as well if you want to make custom deliverables for your clients. So I wanted to keep this one short today and just say we're back. We're going to start talking more about our projects and that specific Solstice project. We do have other projects going on. So why use Solstice? It is covering from the ground up build sites for $1 million+ homes. So there's over 50 homes in this development, and it's taking, they said 2023, 2024, and probably partway into 2025 for the whole project to be completed. But so we're getting these individual homes with our aerials, we're doing our maps, we're doing our models, we're doing interior images, and now we've started also doing the realtor images for the final products to help develop some sell pages for people who might be interested in these homes. So this has done nothing but grow. And what I was starting to say before, we do have other projects, but some of our clients like to keep their projects private. So since we've been working with the Solstice project for a year now, I think that we can develop something really nice for you, the viewer, to walk through all the phases and components of what we're doing for Solstice. And if they decide to grow in other directions where they're going to need more services from us, we can include that as well. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap this one up here. And by the way, so I might look a little off right now. We're still just getting back to sitting in front of the computer. It was, for 2 months, nearly impossible to really get any work done on the computer because I had a really annoying hernia and it took a while to get the surgery done. And then, of course, it took some time to start healing up to where I could sit here in front of the screen and talk to you again. But we should be seeing at least one new video a week coming out. And like I said, this is going to be much more about what we're providing our clients. We will still talk about new drones here and there when something comes out that's interesting. But the big part of building our drone businesses is getting the content to our clients and getting the content into usable ways, in ways that the clients hadn't even thought of. So we're going to be focusing more on getting those final products to the clients this year and what software we use. And we're going to do a little less on the tutorials on a specific drone or another specific drone, because a lot of these drones can do a lot of these tasks. And one of the big things that you're going to need to do to make sure you're not disappointed in your next drone purchase is heavily research what the drone is capable of and what it is not capable of. If they don't mention it, don't think it's included with the drone. All right, everyone, I hope you look forward to our new start to the new year. So we're starting the new year in February, now that all that medical stuff is behind us. So we lost an entire month, but I think it's given me some time to ponder the direction that we should take this channel in order to help you get your business out there as well. By the way, you can always stop by classes.azdrone.net, and we've got a very large class series. We also have a class bundle that offers you a decent discount if you want to purchase all of the classes together. And we will be developing a new project course online soon. So we're going to be putting together another new class at classes.azdrone.net, and it's going to focus all around this one specific project and all the components that go into it. So when you're done with this course series, you'll have a great idea of your start point, of the types of things you'd like to upsell, and of the types of things that you like to provide to your clients. And all that's going to be in this new class series. So pop on by classes.azdrone.net to see what we have up, and also to keep track of when we've got that new class going up. For all of you who've already, signed up for our entire class bundle, when new classes come out, they will be included, no extra charge to you. You've already purchased our class bundle, so it'll just be a new course available to you, and we'll start getting some of that content up by March 1st.